This training is going to cover the standard page type, which includes basic text editor options, as you can see here, title, just some paragraphs of text, some bolded lists, tables, and so on, as well as options for accordions and tabs. This right here is actually set as an accordion at the moment. So we're going to go into the edit screen. From here, you're going to see the same thing you see on the other page, display name, title, keywords, description, whether to include in the navigation. Where things get different is underneath the standard page plus section. Here we have options for standard page, which again is a basic text page. If I were to select that, all I get is the WYSIWYG editor. If I select accordion, I will get content groups. I also get content groups when I select tabs, so that information can transfer back and forth between tabs and accordions. In this case, with accordions, you have group title, group content title, and your copy. You can add multiples with plus signs, you can remove items with minus, you can use the arrows for reorder. In this case, we have two items. I have text group title 1 and text group title 2 with some copy underneath each. If I change this to tabs, I get the same thing but with an extra group content title. Tabs are going to be run horizontal, just as they sound. They're tabs. Because of this, you want spacing to be consistent since they run horizontal, otherwise it's going to look jumpy, hence the reason we have the group content title option. It is not required, but you can use it. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and switch it to tabs. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. I'm going to scroll to the bottom of my page, so now I've got my regular stuff above, and then I have my tabs. So here's the title, here's the content title, and here's the copy. If I click the other tab, it changes the content underneath. Again, if you didn't have that content title, the spacing could look jumpy, so that's why it's there. It's to help with that spacing. Go back to the edit screen. We're going to switch this back to an accordion. Go ahead and hit submit. And now it's going to change that back to that stacked accordion option that we saw before. I open one, I click the other one, it closes the one I currently have open.